In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Canva. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their design workflow, making it easier to move and adjust multiple items simultaneously. Whether you're designing a presentation, creating a social media post, or working on any other creative project, grouping elements can save you both time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening Canva and navigating to the design project you want to work on. Once you're in your design, the first step to grouping elements is highlighting the elements you want to group together. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the elements you wish to include in the group. Imagine creating an invisible box that selects everything you want. This will highlight all the items within that space. It's important to ensure you've selected all the elements you need, as this selection is crucial for the grouping process. Once your desired elements are highlighted, you'll notice several options become available in Canva's toolbar. Look for the option that says Group. It usually appears near the top of your interface. Click on this button to group your highlighted elements. This action essentially binds them together, turning your multiple separate elements into one cohesive piece that can be moved and resized together. This grouped structure is exceptionally useful if you're frequently adjusting the alignment or position of these elements within your design. A great tip to remember is that if you ever need to ungroup these elements, Canva makes it equally simple. Just click on the grouped item and you'll find an ungroup button in the same location as where you found the group function. This flexibility allows you to rearrange or adjust individual elements within the group whenever necessary. Furthermore, grouping elements can help maintain the consistency of your design. When you have several elements like text boxes, images, icons, or any complex configuration, grouping them ensures they stay proportionate and aligned as you make changes or move them around your canvas. This straightforward feature is a game changer for keeping your designs organized and neat. Grouping is particularly beneficial for layered compositions where precision is key. It helps prevent any unwanted movement of individual components and assists in maintaining the integrity of your design. To wrap things up, learning how to group elements in Canva not only enhances your design capabilities, but also adds a level of professionalism to your work. By mastering this simple tool, you can effectively manage complex designs and make the creative process more enjoyable and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more Canva tips and tricks.